Hey guys, John here at Vapor Hunting Technologies. Today we are outside. Yes, we are outside. And we are working on this side of my building here. What you can see is all of this is a roofing product that has stained the brick. And then we have what we call, I think we call this effervescence. It's where moisture comes down the wall, water comes down the wall. And over time, it brings out all the calcium and basically minerals from the brick or the mortar, and it essentially stains the brick. And what's happened is, so I had this whole wall pressure washed professionally 3 different times, and the guys could not get these products off the wall. Now you can see what the brick looks like. This is right in here is before, this is after, and then this is before. So we were able to remove this. I think this is about 10 minutes worth of work, maybe 5. It came off really quickly. You could go a little faster if you're just trying to blend this in and make it look a little more natural, but I just wanted to clean this up really good. But super excited about this new system that we have coming out for you guys. It's an external system, external wet blast system, very affordable. You can run this with a 30-gallon gas-powered air compressor, specifically the one from Harbor Freight, which is right at $1,500. Super affordable. The blasting system will be under $2,000, and that's incredible. You guys know wet blasting systems, dustless blasting systems are very expensive. We have something now that is very affordable. It's easy to transport, and it works just like our cabinets, but it's external. So really pumped about this. I'm going to show you some videos of it in action, but stay tuned. Thanks for watching.